Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jay. Do you like dogs?
Yes.
I asked this question because today I'll talk about dogs. Dogs are cute, kind, and friendly. According to the FCI, there are 344 kinds of dogs in the world. That's a really big number, and each dog has its own personality. Some dogs are big like golden retriever, and some dogs are small like chihuahua. Some dogs have long hair like Shih and some dogs have short hair like Fido. But dogs are not just about how they look. Dogs are often called humans' best friend because they love people, and enjoy being with us. They like to go to a park and stay close with their owners. When you're sad, a dog can make you smile. When you're happy, a dog is happy too. Besides being best friend, dogs can also be a hard worker. Some dogs are more than pets; they have jobs. For example, guide dogs help people or dangerous items. And on farms, some dogs help watch over sheep or cows. Dogs are smart, loyal, and hardworking. Another interesting fact about dogs is their nocturnals. Dogs can also have an amazing sense of smell. They can smell. Their noses are better than human nose, and they can smell very small things that normal people can't even see. That's why they're very good at searching for food and other animals or food. To sum up, dogs are cute,